To use Faysal Bank credit card points. Start by understanding the Faysal Bank Rewards program, which allows you to earn points on every purchase made with your credit card. These points can be redeemed for various rewards such as gift vouchers, travel bookings, and cashback. First, check your points balance by logging into your Faysal Bank online account or through the mobile app. You can also call the Faysal Bank customer service number to inquire about your points balance. Once you know your points balance, browse the Faysal Bank Rewards catalog to see the available redemption options. The catalog includes a wide range of products and services from popular brands and partners. To redeem your points, log into your online account or mobile app and navigate to the rewards section. Select the reward you want to redeem and follow the prompts to complete the redemption process. You can also call the customer service number to redeem your points over the phone. For example, if you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for a gift voucher from a popular clothing brand. Simply select the voucher from the rewards catalog, confirm your redemption, and the voucher will be sent to you via email or postal mail. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of the rewards program, including any redemption fees or expiration dates. Make sure to redeem your points before they expire to maximize the benefits of the Faysal Bank Rewards program. In addition, consider setting up redemption alerts to notify you when you have earned enough points to redeem a specific reward. This way, you can make the most of your Faysal Bank credit card points and enjoy the rewards you deserve. By following these steps and understanding the Faysal Bank Rewards program, you can easily redeem your credit card points and enjoy a wide range of benefits and rewards.